What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. If you love Jamaican nature, you will instantly fall in love with this piece of tropical paradise. This beautifully set up property is hidden away by lush vegetation in a quiet residential area of Westland Road in Negril, Westmoreland. This property offers an amazing view of the turquoise water of the Caribbean Sea. From the gate, one walkway lined with palm trees and an arc of bougainvillea leads past a lovingly decorated fountain to the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story villa, and the other one takes you to the extendable guest house with one studio apartment with loft and sea view. The upstairs of the villa offers 2 verandas. The center of the garden is an open barbecue place surrounded by all kinds of Jamaican fruit trees. In the back, you find structures for storage, an outside bathroom for your future pool, and ample space for more buildings. This is a great hideaway, and yet it is centrally located with a short walk to the main road with shopping facilities, restaurants, bars, and the 7 Mile Beach. Features of this property includes ceramic tile, land area 16,983 square feet, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, standby generator, guest house, partial furnished, central location, easy access, private setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped and pets allowed. This home is priced at US 399,000 or Jamaican $62,400,000. Now let's take a look at this house. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.